Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the precise cell or range you want to name. This ensures the name points to the right data. Once selected, look at the name box at the left of the formula bar and type a concise name without spaces, or go to Formula's Define Name for more options. Make sure to set scope to workbook or a single worksheet depending on reuse. Doing this now prevents confusion later. Save immediately so the name persists and is available for formulas. Once you have names created, open Name Manager with Control plus F3 to inspect their references and scopes. This is where you edit a bad reference or update ranges. Apply a name directly in a formula by typing it or selecting it from the Use in Formula dropdown. That makes formulas easier to read and maintain. Also, make sure the named range uses absolute or relative addressing intentionally. Relative named ranges can shift when copied, whereas absolute ranges remain fixed. This prevents calculation errors later. To finish, replace raw cell references in key formulas with your new names so your workbook reads like documentation. Update charts and validation rules to use the names as well. After changes, recalculate and test critical outputs to confirm nothing broke. If something goes wrong, open Name Manager and verify the name's scope and reference. Hidden sheets or deleted rows often break ranges. One quick fix is redefining the range or changing scope to workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.